we're known for, custom builds. This happens to be a big block Ford. This thing is gorgeous. I painted it crazy plum purple. This is custom painted. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's got black. It's got the purple wires. Got fabricated aluminum valve covers. Full bolt march. Even the paint, even the cap on the distributor is black. 5-tech fuel injected. All Ford's rotating assembly. ARP mains, ART head bolts. Cleveite bearings throughout the engine. All great pieces. Hey, you want something special? Give us a quote. We'll design something for you and put it together. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Boy, that's nice. There you go, Mr. Doug. We got your 1970 Ford F250 engine here, which happens to be 521 cubic inch EFI with the 5-tech system on here. I custom sprayed this crazy purple. It's a gorgeous motor. We just got done making a few passes. Broke in. It's beautiful. It's dry. There's no oil leaks, no water leaks, nothing. And it looks phenomenal and runs phenomenal. So we're going to make a pull for you. That tip almost 600, 700 torque almost? What, 695? Wow. 630 horse. Hey, Doug, I think we achieved what you're going to want for that truck. Awesome.